Hari Om, Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 10, Vibhuti Yoga, Glories of Bhagavan Krishna, verse 24. In the last verse, Bhagavan Krishna said, among the Rudras, I am Samkara. Among the Yaksha Rakshasas, I am Kubera. Yakshas and Rakshasas, I am Kubera. Among the Vasus, I am Agni. Among the mountain peaks, I am Meru. This is what Bhagavan Krishna said in verse 23. Verse 24. Purodasam cha mukyam mam vitti partha brihaspatim senanina magam skandagam sarasamasmi sagaragam. Bhagavan Krishna says, Purodasam cha mukyam mam vitti partha brihaspatim. Hey Partha, among the priests, I am the chief priest. I am Brihaspati. Brihaspati is the chief priest and advisor of Devaraja, that is Indra. Even Indra, the king of all the Devas, will bow down to Brihaspati and he will be guided by him in all his works. Similar to Chanakya was the guru of Chandragupta. So, Chandragupta was shaped by totally Chanakya. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he was shaped by Samarth Ramadas. He was the guru. When the guru says something, they will 100% follow it. They will not cross that. Similarly, for Indra, Brihaspati is the chief priest and advisor. So, whatever it is, Indra has to bow down to Brihaspati. A small story on Brihaspati was once Brihaspati went to the Darbar hall, that is court hall of Indra. Brihaspati is the chief priest, most intelligent and highly respected by all the other munis, rishis, priests throughout the universe. Indra's mind also works like our mind also. Because of his wealth and power, became so proud. He did not get up from his seat. He looked at him like we look at a poor fellow. He looked at him like that from his seat. Seeing his arrogance, Brihaspati calmly left without uttering a word. He just went out of the Darbar hall because he was not respected. The Asuras came to know that Brihaspati has left Indra's kingdom and started attacking the kingdom fiercely, more fiercely, without proper advice. Devas were crumbling. They were losing the battle. We all know it is a continuous fight between Asuras and Devas in the other loga. Like we are trying to save our borders from all the enemy countries. Devas also try to save their borders from the Asuras and Rakshasas. Then Indra regretted his mistake and searched for Brihaspati, who hid himself in a secret place. Let us stop the story with this. Applying this to our human beings. Our mind is the Devaraja, Indra. We have seen that. Mind is the Indra. Mind many a times behaves crankily, arrogantly, boosting its success and become proud about its wealth, name, fame, etc. When the mind becomes emotional or agitated because of these things, the Brihaspati, that is our discriminative intellect, feels it is neglected or it is not given proper respect, and silently it moves away from our mind. Our agitated mind, the emotional mind, creates a ruckus in our life because proper advisor is there. That is the time our bad thoughts, our bad actions come out of us. People try to wrong habits, the name and fame get completely spoiled. Whatever you earn for 50 years, one mistake, finish. So the moment our Brihaspati returns, the destruction will be complete. Bhagavan Krishna says, I am the Brihaspati among the priests. Here the advice of Brihaspati always. Our mind should always be guided by our discriminative intellect. That is what Purodasamcha Mukyam Mam Vitti Partha Brihaspati. Then he says, Sena Nina Sena Ninam Agam Skandaha. Sena Ninam Agam Skandaha. Among the commanders in chief, I am Skanda, the second son of Bhagavan Shiva. Other names are Kartikeya, Muruga, so many names are there. Skanda is Deva Senapati. He is the commander in chief of all the Devas. Again, if we view this in our human body, all our sense organs are represented by a Deva. We have already seen this many a times. For example, for the eyes, Deva is Surya. If there is no light, in pitch dark, you cannot see anything. Similarly, that is why for the eye, the Deva is Surya. Similarly, every organ is represented by a Deva. The 33 crore Devas are all inside our body only. Similarly, our body is full of sense organs. Whichever part you pinch with a pin or something, it will pain. Otherwise, there is some problem. All the organs have to function effectively till death. In old age, eyes cannot see. You cannot hear properly. Problems will become old age problems. The protection for all the organs is Skanda, is the Deva Senapati. There is one sloka song, Skanda Sashti Kavacham, written by Devaraya Swamikal in Tamil. A wonderful bhakti song. Every line of this song protects one part of the body, whether male or female. This prays to Lord Skanda to protect all the parts of the body, which whatever it is. A sample, it is a 15 to 20 minutes song. Just a sample of what it says. Vetrivel vaitrai vilangave kaaka சிற்றிடை அழகுற செவ்வேல் காக்க நாணாம் கயிற்றை நல்வேல் காக்க ஆண் பெண் குறிகளை அயில்வேல் காக்க பிட்டமிரண்டும் பெருவேல் காக்க வட்ட குதத்தை வடிவேல் காக்க பனை தொடை இரண்டும் பருவேல் காக்க கணைக்கால் முழந்தால் கதிர்வேல் காக்க ஐவிரலடியினை அருள்வேல் காக்க கைகள் இரண்டும் கருணைவேல் காக்க முன் கை இரண்டும் முரண்வேல் காக்க பின் கை இரண்டும் பின்னவளிருக்க நாவில் சரஸ்வதி நற்றுணையாக நாபிக்கமலம் நல்வேல் காக்க முப்பால் நாடியை முனைவேல் காக்க. It says, Vetrivel Vaitrai Vilangave Kaka. That is your stomach. Please save my stomach. Sitridai Alagura Shevvel Kaka. Let me not have a big belly. The hip should be small and beautiful. An pen Kurigelai Ailvel Kaka. Please, the sexual organs of the male and female, please save that. Then Pitnamirandum Peruvel Kaka, Vattakodatai Vadivel Kaka. All my private parts, you please save. Panai Toda Irandum Paruvel Kaka. My thighs, please save my thighs. Kanaikal Murandal Kadirvel Kaka. How many of us are in the old age having this knee problem? Please save my knees. I Viral Adinai Arulvel Kaka. All the fingers, please save my fingers. Then முன்கை இரண்டும் முரண்வேல் காக்க பின்கை இரண்டும் பின்னவல் இருக்க. Save my legs and hands. Navil Saraswati Nattunayaga. Let the Saraswati is the Vidya Mata. Always the knowledge is given by Saraswati Mata. Let her be always there in my tongue. You ask somebody to speak, how you speak decides what you are in the culture, in your knowledge, in the subject in which you claim to be an expert. You ask somebody to speak, you will get it. That is what it says. It prays to Skanda to save each and every part of the body. The song is 15-20 minutes. We are not going to see the entire song. Then the beautifully it says uh, uh, the one more portion. எத்தனை குறைகள் எத்தனை பிழைகள் எத்தனை அடியேன் எத்தனை செய்யினும் பெற்றவன் நீ குரு பொறுப்பது உன் கடன் பெற்றவள் கூறமகள் பெற்றவளாமே பிள்ளை என்றன்பாய் பிரியமளித்து மைந்தன் என் மீதுன் மனமகிழ்ந்தருளே தஞ்சமென்றடியார் தழைத்திட அருள் செய். How many mistakes I have committed in my life? How many blunders I have committed? Hare Skanda, there is no limit to it. I have done countless mistakes in my life. You are not only my father, you are my guru. பெற்றவன் நீ குரு பொறுப்பது உன் கடன். You are not only my father, you are my guru. It is your duty to forgive me. Why? பெற்றவள் கூறமகள் பெற்றவளாமே. I am born to a gypsy mother. Muruga married in the forest one girl belonging to the forest men. So she was a gypsy. I am born to a gypsy mother, ignorant lady. So naturally I am also ignorant. I am brought up in that circumstance. So I must have committed countless mistakes. So he says, with love and affection, பிள்ளை என்றன்பாய் பிரியமளித்து மைந்தன் என் மீதுன் மனமகிழ்ந்தருளே. You treat me as your son, and with love and affection, please save me. தஞ்சமென்றடியார் தழைத்திட அருள் செய். Please save me and bless me. Then finally the song ends with as we say, Shivaya Namaha, Krishnaya Namaha, Vasudevaya Namaha. Like that, in Tamil, it ends with மேவிய வடிவுறும் வேலவா போற்றி தேவர்கள் சேனாபதியே போற்றி. Here also he clearly mentions தேவர்கள் சேனாபதியே போற்றி. That means you are the senapati, whatever Krishna says here. Senaninaam aham skandaha. தேவர்கள், you are the senapati of devas. தேவர்கள் சேனாபதியே போற்றி கூறமகள் மணமகிழ் கோவே போற்றி திறமிகு திவ்ய தேகா போற்றி இடும்பாயுதனே இடும்பா போற்றி கடம்பா போற்றி கந்தா போற்றி வெற்றி புனையும் வேலே போற்றி உயர்கிரி கனக சபைக்கோர் அரசே மயில் நடமிடுவோய் மலரடி சரணம் 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 சரவண பவவோம் சரணம் சரணம் ஷண்முகா சரணம் 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 ஷண்முகா சரணம். Hey Shanmuga, hey Skanda, you please save us. Please save all of us. We should not have any disease till death. The body, the vehicle given to us, it should not go to the workshop, that is a hospital. Without that, all the parts should work properly till death. That is the prayer here. So Bhagavan says, I am in commanders in chief. I am this Kanda. Then Bhagavan says, Sarasam Asmi Sagaraga. That is, in the lakes, I am the ocean. Ocean is also a lake, the biggest lake. But the beauty of ocean is that every well, every pond, every river, every dam, and every other lake, whatever it is, this thing depends on the ocean. We all know ocean only gives rain. That rain only fills all the other water bodies. The water bodies owe their existence to the ocean. Similarly, every living organism in this universe owe their existence to Bhagavan Krishna. That is why Bhagavan Krishna says, I am the ocean. Verse 24 again. Purodasam cha mukyam mam vitti partha brihaspatim senani namagam skandagam sarasamasmi sagaragam. Next verse we will see tomorrow. Harihom sarvam krishnarpanamastu. Narayana 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 Narayana